Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check your BMO credit score. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check your BMO credit score, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your BMO application, and then be sure to be logged in with your BMO credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the credit card section, and once you're inside there, look for section or option that says credit score or borrower credit score, which may appear under accounts or services. Then once that's done, simply follow the prompts to access your free credit score. You may need to answer some identity verification questions like previous address, loans or credit accounts, and once verified you'll see your credit score, usually a number between 300 to 900 in Canada, your credit rating which is poor, very good and excellent, and trips to improve your score. Then you can also request a credit report from Equifax or TransUnion as well, and this is free once per year, useful for checking detailed history, inquiries, collections or errors. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.